What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Snapchat password if you forget it. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your mobile settings like here. After going to your mobile settings option, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called Google. Okay, here is the option that called Google. You have to click on this Google. After clicking on this option, you will land a page like this, and you have to click on the option like Google, manage your Google account like here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps I'm going to show you so that you can find your Snapchat password if you forget it. After that, you have to scroll down here and you have to click on security option like here. After going to on security, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called password manager. You have to click on this password manager. So here is the tricky part. Google saves all the passwords and usernames from your mobile phone here, so that if you forget it you can see it here. So after clicking on this, you have to find that Snapchat app. After finding the Snapchat, you have to click on the Snapchat so that you can see your password. After clicking on this, you have to unlock your phone with Face ID or fingerprint. I'm going to do it. So after unlocking that, you can see here is the password and the username of Snapchat. You can easily copy from here, otherwise you can see it if you click on this I button. With the Snapchat password you can see it. So this is how you can find or see your Snapchat password if you forget it. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.